You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 3x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 29/5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/14. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 6.